An alternative method to wake the coach up if the Pure3 system has shut down due to a low state of charge is to first make sure the coach is unplugged if it's plugged in, turn off any AC appliances including the air conditioner, and ensure that the button at the Pure3 panel is not depressed, so it's in the off position. Now to wake the coach up, arm the auto start system using either method, reference our other videos, and then come back to the panel and turn the system on. The auto start system will promptly start and run for 1 hour. Allow the coach to charge.